Zoom. We go follow us. We get June Wisse. She be 8 years old, Nigerian Dutch model. Sweetheart June, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you. See her composure, see her poise.
You know, when I did young that age, I was also composed.
You know they're like this. They don't, hey, calm down. Allow me help picking finish.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
When you everything when you did young.
I'm sorry.
The young that you were never.
Go ahead.
Jare. And we also can get our beautiful Eze Chikamso. She be Eze Chikamso Irish. She be DJ, disc jockey. She join us from Zoom. Chikamso, are you there, Irish?
DJ
Hello,
Irish.
Hello, Irish. Can you hear me?
Hi.
Hi, honey. How are you?
And we still get our very own superstar footballer right here, the one and only Oluwole Akinleye, 11-year-old Nigerian American.
The mercy in the making.
Chop.
The mercy in the making. You see,
My guy.
why you not tell me make her hear my baby?
It's swag plenty. Oh, yeah, Hela. Me not be like say we are doing gender bias.
We dey break the bias.
We are breaking the bias.
All right, so we want to talk to our children them concerning children them matter, but we could just talk to our Irish girl waiting for on top of Zoom first of all. Irish, you dey hear me? Can you hear me? All right. So you're in this jockey, right? Why did you pick interest in DJing?
I started in 2019 when I was still 5 years old.
Wow.
Whoa.
And
Why the interest?
Why did you decide to be a DJ?
Why a DJ amongst other things?
Yeah.
Because I like playing music, so I will entertain the world with all my music.
Ah, she will entertain the world with her music.
Irish, so is it that your parents like to play music in the house every day, or you hear music a lot? That's why you said, okay, you want to be a DJ. Was that also something that added to the love?
It was when I heard music from my parents' phone also that I now started putting interest and now decided to be a DJ and told my daddy.
Okay, we will come back to you,
Nice.
Irish, but let's move to Oluwole. How far, guy, man? See the way he just.
I like the guy's swag.
He just pose.
This is the next. Is it Messi that's your best?
Messi.
It's
It's got to be
Abi?
Messi.
Next Messi.
Okay, so why football really?
They make money.
So because footballers make money, that's why you decided to play football, or is it that you love playing football before you realize that they make plenty money?
Yes.
So you enjoy playing football.
Yes.
So how long have you been doing this, or how long ago?
Started playing football when I was 6 years old.
6 years. You know, I used to play football.
Oh,
there's a reason I'm saying this.
rest.
But I stopped playing football because I got injured on my feet. So have you gotten injured before, or have you ever thought about, okay, if I get injured, would I still play? Has that ever crossed your mind?
Yes.
So looking at, are you not scared that one day or something might happen and don't you think it's a possibility?
It's possible, but cannot happen.
It cannot happen.
Okay, so why Messi and not Ronaldo?
Messi, when he did the ball, cannot touch him.
He's untouchable.
Untouchable.
It's Messi. Messi in the
He's
ball.
untouchable.
All right, we still have June in the building. June, how are you?
I'm good.
My goodness, I'm amazed at your poise. I'm amazed at your elegance. I'm amazed at your panache. Goodness me.
She's my co-model.
Goodness me. Goodness me. So why this modeling thing? I feel like you were born for this, though. So when did you start modeling?
I started modeling at age 6.
How old are you now?
When I'm 8 years old.
Okay.
But when I was 3 years old, I already started striking poses like a professional model. So my mom, she discovered that I loved striking poses. I wanted to be a model. So once I turned 6 years old, then I started modeling.
So where did you see this modeling experience? Because you know that you had to see it somewhere. Like, were you watching a lot of modeling movies or shows, or how did you get that interest?
I actually don't know how, but all I remember is me striking poses and acting like a professional model at age 3.
At age 3? Wow, I like that. At age 3, I was
At age 3,
I'm not too
can you
sure
remember?
what I was in at age 3. I was eating.
Amazing story.
Hey, amazing story. A very amazing story.
Okay. So at any point did your mother discourage? Let's say your daddy now. Did your daddy at any point discourage your mother? Like, why are you pushing this girl into modeling? Why are you throwing her to the limelight? Did he discourage at any point?
No, he always supports me, and so does my mother. She's my #1 supporter. And my dad, he supports me whenever I'm doing photo shoots. Then he comes to check on me and then smiles.
Oh, wow. So
have
did
to
you
smile.
at any point have to go through some kind of trainings for, professionals to be a professional model, apart from the fact that you have the innate skill?
Yes, I had to go through trainings to catwalk, to learn how to catwalk, to strike even more professional poses, and yeah.
Okay, so I like you to teach me. I mean, like, there are lots of kids. Today's Children's Day. Kids didn't go to school today. So there are lots of kids watching on TV across Nigeria, not just in Lagos. Some kids may be wondering, what's the first thing they need to know if they like to get into modeling?
Yeah,
So
first
what was the first thing you would advise me to do if I have interest in
Wait,
modeling?
advice you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You were
advice,
shocked,
please.
Abby? Me too, I was shocked. When she said, advise me, I want to learn money, please.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's assume it's me. but
Let's assume.
I mean, advice other kids.
Yes.
Okay. It starts with you believing in yourself, having the passion for it, and knowing that you can do it. Because along the way, it might be rough, but trust me, once you get used to modeling, it would be really easy.
So confidence is key.
Confidence, yes.
Okay, so what happens?
Positive, be positive. No negative.
So how about if we now have, you know how you at the initial stage you have that butterfly, you want to do a walkway or runway rather, and you have the butterfly. How do I conquer it?
You have the butterfly.
Butterflies in my stomach, like I'm shy,
You're shy?
Yes.
Oh, well, just
Or
repeat
stage
this in your
fright.
head. Repeat this in your head. I can do this.
I can do
I
it.
will never give up.
Yes.
I will reach to the top of the mountain. Mount Everest.
That's it. That's
Yes.
it. Mount Everest, that's the,
The
highest,
tallest
actually.
mountain. Oh my goodness.
Let's
We're coming
talk
back to you because you're
let's
going to
talk
teach us.
DJ Irish. DJ Irish, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
Okay, so DJ Irish, I know that for the fact that you're a DJ, you like music. So tell us, what kind of songs do you like? What kind, like particularly, because as a DJ, you need to listen to everything, but what kind of songs would you say you like personally?
Like so many songs.
You like so many songs. Do you enjoy Nigerian music? Honestly, you like Nigerian music?
Yes.
Okay, so who is your favorite artist? Nigerian favorite artist?
My Nigerian favorite artist is
Is who?
Burna Boy.
Burna Boy! So Burna Boy has one fan right now. Burna Boy, I believe if you are watching this, please, DJ Irish has said you are her #1 Nigerian artist.
So
I
if
beg,
you have the opportunity, you
call
like to
her.
play for Burna Boy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You like to play in an event that Burna Boy is
You want to
performing.
play, you know?
Would you?
Would you want to do that?
No, not here with my DJ sets.
Oh, no, it's fine, no problem. So, looking at the DJ industry, do you have any DJ that you look up to? Like, okay, I want to be like this DJ, or I want to be like that DJ. So, do you have any DJ you look up to that you want to be like?
Yes.
Okay, so which DJ is that?
DJ Copy.
DJ Copy. All right.
Are you planning to tint your hair pink someday when you
All
grow
right,
up?
DJ Copy. Okay.
Are you planning to be a pinky? Okay, so Irish, when we come back, we'd like to also find out from you how your parents were able to encourage you
Encourage
into
you to
doing
do
this.
that, yeah.
Especially if you had to, go through some kind of rudimental or fundamental trainings to this jockey. But let's go back to our
footballer of the year.
Oga, how far?
Genge.
Do you have an idea of how much Messi earns?
Oh, I already know. In a year,
In
it makes over billions.
over billions. So
Oh, you already have an idea. Irish said, oh, she already has an idea. She's got an idea. So how much does Mercy make?
1.0 million or 2.0 billion.
Wow. You see
In naira or dollars?
there's
Sorry, in euro, dollars, or pounds?
Naira.
Pounds, US dollars, naira, and yen from Japan.
Hell.
Wahala.
From everywhere.
Okay, so let's just let the children know that parents, you can call in. Let's talk to your kids. Let's find out how they're doing and what they want to become in future. I like that. I like that question because a lot of children have it in their mind already, what they want to be. You know?
Exactly, but you know the interesting thing is that before now, if you ask children, or if you ask children, I can speak pidgin English, if you ask children what they want to be for future, most of them go talk, say, I want to be lawyer, doctor, engineer, this and that. But now we get a footballer, we get a model, we get a disc jockey. Also, so the thing don't they change,
Yes.
you know, doctors then go see there, lawyers go see there, engineers go see there, but we
new
don't they see other,
professions
you know, say before now, if you be say you want to play football, oh, lawyer, I tell you, leave that football and go and
cannot be
study
playing
medicine.
ball.
Now so parents go they talk.
You can't be playing ball. Do we have a call? We have gifts to
our
give out.
children.
We have movie tickets. Yes, movie tickets for children. Hey. Movie tickets for children. Oh. It's not that you will call me, you
Yes,
say you are age 25 and you are a child. It's a lie. Movie tickets, and we're going to give out to kids, Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. So if you can hear us, when they watch us for there, you're there online right now, call us, and the number is there on top on our screen. Let us know what's up. Let's talk to the kids. Let's win movie tickets quickly. Oluwole, yes, we talk about you now. Training process. We know that for footballers they train every time. You guys go for training, exercise, and all that. Is it how does it work for you? Is it easy or sometimes it's difficult?
Sometimes it's difficult.
Yeah, but you have to do it.
Yes.
So how often do you train, knowing that okay, you have to prepare for your games? How often do you guys train?
I train 3 times a week.
3 times a week. How many hours a day? 2 hours a day, 3 times a week.
Are there times that you look at the training like I don't feel like doing this football thing again? I'm tired. Are there times you feel that way?
No.
I say he's thinking about being messy, and you say he wants to be tired. You cannot be tired. So looking at the current football situation in Nigeria, I know that you don't want to play in Nigerian football. Wait, Oluwole, wait first now. Wait first. If you don't play for us, if you are very good now, and you don't join our Super Eagles and play for, wait first. You have to join it so that you can help it grow and get to that standard. So if you are very good now, you can't be playing for another country when your home country is not doing well.
I'm an American citizen.
Eh,
I
but-
can play for America.
And you can play for America and also come to help us too.
No, it's not possible.
You don't want to help us.
It cannot work.
You cannot work. There's problem.
Wahala, wow.
There's problem. The number is still there. Call us. Let's hear from you. Let's win tickets. If like say we get person from
All right,
Lagos.
Destiny is calling us from Lagos. Destiny,
Destiny.
good morning.
Hello.
Hi.
Destiny.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Destiny.
Destiny.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Destiny, how old are you? How old are you, Destiny?
I'm 12 years.
12 years. Okay, Destiny, you qualify. Actually, you qualify to win a movie ticket. But first, I'd like to ask you, what would you want to become in future?
A footballer.
A footballer. Wow. We have Oluwole here and we have Destiny online, another footballer. That's good. Have you told mommy or daddy this? Have you told them?
Yes, I already started going to training.
Oh, you started training also?
Yes.
Wow. That's good. Congratulations, Destiny. At least you would reach us again. You can call us back after the show, or we'll reach out to you on how you can get your ticket to go and see a movie. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for calling us.
Happy
Philip is on the
Children's Day.
line. Philip,
Hello,
good
Philip.
morning. Hello, Philip.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
Philip. Happy Children's Day, Philip.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Philip, where are you calling us from? Hello,
Oh,
Philip.
Wazobia Max TV.
Where are you calling
Yes.
from?
Oh, you're
Kaduna.
calling from Kaduna State.
Okay.
Saladima.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so Philip, we'd just like to hear from you. How old are you, first of all?
I'm 8 years old.
8.
You're 8 years old. Philip, what
Beautiful.
would you like to be when you grow up?
I want to become a doctor when I grow up.
A doctor.
Correct.
That's good.
Can I know the aspect of doctor you want to be? Do you want to be a brain doctor to treat women? What aspects of medicine really interest you?
I want to be an orthopedic doctor.
Orthopedic.
You want to repair Oluwole's bones when he breaks his bones.
In
during
case they
playing
break
football.
bone, you should be ready to help them. Okay. Thank you very much, Philip, for calling.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
lovely
you so
Children's
much.
Day.
Thank you so
You see,
much.
that to show, say, Philip, they go private school. You know why I talk so? Because of the thing when you talk, say, it won't be. It must be an orthopedic.
You know the name.
Know the one.
You know the specific. You know, to say I want to be a bone doctor. You know something? Because back in the days, we call them bone doctor. We didn't consign us. Steve,
Right.
they call us.
We have another caller. Hello.
Good morning, Steve.
Is Steve there? Okay, we lost Steve. Well, the numbers are still very much available. Call us from any part of the country where you did, but to win our tickets, you have to be in Lagos, Port Harcourt, or Abuja. All right? All right? So please
Okay, so our Irish Day for Irish, you're still over there. Irish, would like to hear from you. Did you go through some kind of regimental trainings for you to start DJing properly? Or you just learned on your own? Irish, can you hear me?
I went for some trainings.
Oh, you went for training?
Wow.
Okay, how long was that? Or how long was the training process for you? How many days, weeks?
It was from 2019 to 2022.
Oh, wow.
Wow, for 3 years.
That's good.
About.
That's good.
Wow.
Okay, we have another caller on the line. Let's talk to that person. Hello,
Daniela.
Daniela.
Daniela, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Daniela. How are you?
You sound a little bit mature.
Fine.
Daniela,
how old are you?
I'm 12.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Such
12, a big girl.
So much confidence in your voice.
I like the confidence.
Where are you calling us from, Daniela?
Lagos.
Lagos. Okay. So, Daniela, you know how it is now. So, what class are you in now, Daniela?
I'm in JS2.
JS2. Okay.
Amazing.
So, what would you want to be in future? What do you want to become? When you grow up?
An architect.
An architect.
Oh.
Wow, an architect. Do you have is your dad an architect or your mom an architect? Why? Why did you decide to choose that?
Because I like it.
Because you like it. Okay, great.
I like to draw.
You like to draw. Oh.
And you want to interpret these in designs and
In
buildings.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay.
So Daniela, we're glad to tell you that you're winning our tickets, our movie tickets to go see a movie in any of the viewing centers.
Yeah.
Well done. Congratulations to you, Daniela. Thank you so much for calling.
We'll reach out to you or reach out to us later on the same line and we'll get to give you all the information, okay?
All right, we'll have a next caller. Good morning. Hello, hello. Praise.
Praise, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Praise, happy Children's Day.
Thank you, sir.
I like that.
So courteous.
We can hear the excitement in your voice. So, Praise, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Praise, what do you want to become in future?
I want to become a musician.
Wow. I like that.
Can you tell me who's your favorite musician, Praise?
Yes.
Who is your favorite musician?
Yes.
Davido.
Davido, if you can hear this, Praise somewhere in Lagos is your fan.
Yes.
Okay, so
She
you
wants to be like you.
like Praise to feature Davido to feature you someday in music, right?
In music, right? In a song.
Yes.
Congratulations to you. Thank you so
dream will
much.
come true.
And this is all wishing you success in your music career. Have you started writing some of your songs already? Have you started penning down something?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Wonderful, great. And Praise,
we'll wait for
congratulations
your
to you. You also win. You've been able to win a movie ticket right now. So thank you so much for calling us.
Have a lovely Children's Day, Praise. Bye. Okay, so for those who watch us, we know say this whole package, we get some other of our sponsors and we even took a hand inside this matter to also wish the children happy Children's Day. The Dufil Premier Foods are celebrating Children's Day. Dufil Premier Food, makers of Indomie noodles, wishes all its lovely kids happy Children's Day across the country. Yes, so on behalf of the Dufil, we're saying that. The brand is out again to show its love to its lovely fans in a unique way. So here's what you should watch out for. So watch out the sky between 11 to 12 noon on the 27th, which is today, and you are up for a big surprise. So
just look at the sky.
Children, they say look at the sky between 11 to 12 noon today.
Okay, so back to our guest that we have, too. Me, I would not rest until I see Oluwole juggle the ball. You know, let's just see how he taps it. And then I also will
You
not
also
rest
see-
until I see June strike a poster. Because you have to see what my eyes have saw. Saw.
June,
What my
June
eyes
is on
see.
fire.
All
And,
right. So you need to see all of this.
DJ Irish, you said you're not with your
Her
system,
set.
your set, and would have, okay, it's all right. But definitely, I believe you have a lot of people will be able to come on your social media handle and check.
Okay. So June, apart from the fact that you're a model, you're also a spoken word artist, right?
Yeah.
Why the love for poetry?
Well, the love for poetry, I just love reciting poems. I get help from my mom and her assistant. I recited 6 poems. And the love for poetry started when I started memorizing books. Like whenever I just read a story from a book, I would immediately tell my mom. And when President Joe Biden became the president, he asked me, June, do you think you can recite this?
Oh.
And I said, of course I can. I mean, like, it's so simple. But she said, it's so long, I don't think you will be able to.
Okay.
And I said, I bet you $1.0 million to do it.
Okay, so can you just recite one that you have, at heart? Something nice. Let's hear you.
I would want to recite The Dawn of Today, which
The
is
Dawn
for
of Today.
Children's Day.
Which is for Children's Day.
Yes.
Amazing.
But
Shoot.
just a paragraph. If you want me to recite the whole poem, you would have
just
to
a
pay me
paragraph
$2
will
million.
do.
Yeah, they have to pay you for that.
I don't have $2
agree.
million to pay you.
I
so
agree.
a paragraph will do for free. Thank you.
What you can do for
graciously.
free.
Yes.
Right to move.
The one paragraph will cost $10.
Oh, sweetheart, please just shoot. Just do that for the love of children,
I love
for the
June.
love of other children, so they can be inspired by
June
you.
is a
You know I don't have
politician.
money to pay you, so let's just go for just a paragraph. Thank you, June.
Paragraph, perfect.
All right. So
Go ahead.
no, she'll do it. She'll do it later.
okay.
She's still with us. No problem. Just prepare that. Have it in your mind.
In her mind.
Oluwole, remember, she said you're going to juggle this ball.
He will
You're
juggle.
going to show us skills.
He will juggle.
So we once he gets me. Oh yeah, yes. Now still the special Children's Day edition of the Gudu Morning Naija Show. And let's say time don't reach where we go. They go our house. But before we go, we know say our guests with the inside studio with us. They're gonna wow us based on the fact that the children are the leaders
of tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I would just like me, June, first of all, give us a spoken word.
Yes,
before she
she's
cuts
gonna
off.
do
So
that.
just recite the paragraph you promised me.
Yes.
Not,
The
without
one that is
without
free.
$10,000. The one that is free.
That free
The
one.
the free one. So recite it for us now.
Just do it for us. You can just speak to your camera. Camera 4 right there.
Yeah, okay.
Talk to them.
The dawn of today reminds us of one thing, Children's Day. Let's lift up our voices for those whose faint voices are not heard. Let's lift up our eyes to heaven, for it's due on us for a more sane and homely world pain that lay us waste, that we may morph into well-rounded adults to add server to planet Earth, spicing it with fragrance that will be inhaled by all, even for generations to come. And that's the paragraph.
See,
I want to be like this when I grow up.
I used to do spoken word.
I used to do spirit when I was
Beautiful stories.
younger.
You have the most beautiful
You
stories
see,
ever.
if I start, to him who sees a man walking on the street,
Oluwole, come and jog ball for us. Leave this old man where no dey do anything.
You see, you cannot stop
talking.
the
You go after him,
creativity
you can't
in
work.
me and
As
tell
we
me
try
you
to
don't
pose us,
want
we
me
agree, right?
to do. Oluwole, show them, Jare. We footballers, it's in our blood. Yes. You see, when I was growing up, I used to juggle ball myself, but because of that injury, I had to now focus.
So
on
where's the injury
media.
now?
So where's the injury
God
now?
has healed me. I'm healed.
Hey.
Hallelujah. Oluwole, thank you.
Thank you. All right, June, darling, take the cup.
June wants to give us how I walk. Okay, let's do that.
Yes, but earlier on your walk was
It was like just no, just leave them,
will
leave them.
jump
Let's
it.
just do
Okay,
your
you
own.
jump it, yes. Please skip that part. Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only beautiful June strutting the runway, giving it to us as she pleases. Let's
Take it
go.
away, June. Take it away, baby girl.
Oh yeah, give them. Hey.
Okay. Okay.
That's what's up.
Okay, so
That's what's
you
up.
take a pose. You just have to strike a pose
up.
now.
Oh yeah,
Of course, yes.
give us that pose. Give us
Yes.
that pose. Strike that pose there. Ah, camera, snap it, snap it, snap it. Oh. All right, DJ Irish, how you doing?
And that's how you do it.
Oh, yeah, baby.